Hey y'all, while having 21-mile-per-hour winds, I decided to see if it were possible to put my kayak in the water here. So I'm walking up the trail alongside of the West Fork Trinity River. Oh, and by the way, thanks for tuning in to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I sure hope to earn your subscription today. The Fort Worth Nature Center has over 3,600 acres of natural north central Texas land and water to explore. Here you can hike over 20 miles of natural trails. There is a total of 12 marked trails here. Today I am walking up part of the Cross Timbers Trail. Along these trails you can find scenic ridge tops, shady canyons, forests, prairies, river bottoms, and a boardwalk over wetlands. There's also lots of wildlife to see. There is deer, all kinds of birds, lots of turtles, and if you're lucky, you might even see an alligator. Well, by the looks of it, I definitely think the water looks great, even with these high winds. Oh yeah, and to be careful, I did cross paths with this rattlesnake. Remember, you are in their territory. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be coming back with the kayaks.